Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch digital. First, you'll need to capture your physical artwork. Use a high-quality scanner for the best resolution, typically 300 to 600 dots per inch. Alternatively, a good camera with proper lighting works well. Ensure your sketch is clean and free of smudges before capturing it, as this saves time later. This initial step is crucial for a clear digital foundation. Once your sketch is digitized, it's time for the right tools. Image editing software, such as Adobe Photoshop or Procreate, is essential for refining your work. For more precise control, consider using a graphics tablet, which offers thousands of levels of pressure sensitivity. If you plan to scale your artwork significantly, vector-based programs like Adobe Illustrator are excellent choices, allowing for infinite resizing without pixelation. Now, let's clean up your digital sketch. Start by adjusting the contrast and brightness to make your lines pop, aiming for a clear, crisp image. Use the eraser tool to remove any unwanted smudges or stray marks. A key tip is to work on separate layers. This allows you to make non-destructive edits and easily experiment with different elements without affecting your original line art. Finally, it's time to bring your sketch to life with color and depth. Experiment with different digital brushes and textures to add unique effects. Utilize a consistent color palette to ensure your artwork feels cohesive and professional. Remember to save your work frequently, perhaps every 10 to 15 minutes, and in various formats like JPEG for sharing and PSD for future edits. This protects your creative efforts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.